How to create a Walmart account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for walmart.com. Here, on the top right of your screen, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that and then tap on the sign in option again. You will further be required to enter your email or phone number. So go ahead and enter your email and phone number, either of it, and once you have entered, tap on the continue button and you will then be required to enter your first name, your last name, your phone number along with a password. Make sure that while entering the password, you meet the password requirements that is shown below the password text box. Once entered, tap on the continue button again and you will receive a verification code in the number that you just entered. So enter the code sent to you and then tap on the verify and continue button, and with this, your Walmart account will be created. So this was about how you can create a Walmart account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.